Let's talk about the avocado, a culinary superstar with a fascinating backstory. This creamy green fruit has become a staple in kitchens around the world, but its journey from tree to table is nothing short of extraordinary. Before it lands on your toast or in your favorite salad, it starts life on the remarkable Persea americana, a tree that can live for more than a century, quietly growing and producing fruit year after year. Imagine a tree producing avocados since your great-grandparents' time. Some avocado trees have witnessed generations come and go, standing as living witnesses to history and change. Here's a fun fact: avocados are technically single-seeded berries, and they're actually related to cinnamon and bay laurel. This surprising family connection hints at the avocado's ancient roots and the diversity of the plant kingdom. A healthy tree can yield hundreds of avocados each year, potentially 500 fruits per season. That's a lot of guacamole. These trees are incredibly generous, providing food and shade for people and wildlife alike. But avocados don't ripen on the tree. They wait to be picked before softening, a clever strategy to avoid falling and spoiling. This means farmers can carefully time the harvest, ensuring each fruit is perfect when it reaches your kitchen. The tree's flowers are even more intriguing. Each has both male and female parts, but they open at different times to encourage cross-pollination. This unique system helps the tree produce stronger, healthier fruit. Some flowers are female in the morning, male in the afternoon. Others do the reverse, requiring another tree nearby for pollination. Bees and other pollinators play a crucial role in this process, moving pollen from flower to flower. It's a slow, green dance, ensuring strong, diverse generations. The wind, the bees, and the trees all work together in a delicate balance year after year. So, when you hold an avocado, remember, it's from a tree older than most people you know, picked at just the right moment. Each fruit is the result of patience, timing, and a little bit of luck. Its journey involves patience, strategy, and a complex floral tango. From the first blossom to the final harvest, every step is carefully orchestrated by nature and by the hands of dedicated farmers. This isn't just a fruit, it's living botanical history. Each avocado carries the legacy of the tree it grew on and the story of the land where it was nurtured. Every bite is a taste of nature's patience and ingenuity. It's a reminder of the hidden wonders behind everyday foods. Next time you enjoy avocado, think of the century-old tree and the intricate process behind it. There's a world of effort and natural magic in every creamy slice. It's more than food, it's a story of survival and cooperation. Generations of farmers, pollinators, and trees working together to bring this fruit to your table. That's what makes each avocado special. It's a symbol of resilience, teamwork, and the quiet power of nature. Understanding this journey makes every bite richer, connecting you to a story that began long before you sat down to eat. Growing avocados is a true test of patience. It's a journey that begins with a tiny seed and requires years of dedication and care. Plant a seed and you might wait up to 13 years for fruit, unless you use grafting, which speeds things up. Grafting can reduce the wait to just a few years, but it still requires skill and precision. Even then, avocado trees are picky. They need a perfect climate, hate frost, and demand lots of water, up to 20 gallons a day in hot weather. The right balance of sunlight, water, and nutrients is crucial for their growth. Farmers must carefully manage water and protect trees from pests and diseases, using everything from beneficial insects to targeted treatments. This integrated approach helps maintain the health of the orchard. It's a constant battle to keep the crop healthy. Vigilance is key, as even a small outbreak can threaten an entire harvest. Harvesting is all manual. Each avocado is picked by hand, often with long poles to reach the highest fruit. This labor-intensive process ensures that each avocado is handled with care. Since avocados don't ripen all at once, workers must select each one at just the right time. Timing is everything to ensure the best quality. This careful process prevents bruising and ensures only the best reach the market. Gentle handling is essential to maintain the fruit's integrity. So, when you see a perfect avocado, remember the years of waiting, the gallons of water, and the hands-on care behind it. Each avocado is a testament to the farmer's dedication. It's not just a fruit, it's the result of dedication and hard work. The smiles of the workers reflect the pride they take in their labor. Every avocado is a labor of love. The journey from seed to fruit is a story of perseverance. That's why it's so special. Enjoy it with appreciation, knowing the effort that went into every bite. Why do we love avocados? It's not just the taste, it's the nutrition. Unlike most fruits, avocados are loaded with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, the same kind found in olive oil. These fats help lower bad cholesterol and boost the good kind, supporting heart health. Avocados are packed with vitamins K, C, B5, B6 and folate, essential for everything from blood clotting to energy production. They're also rich in fiber, which keeps digestion smooth and helps you feel full longer. And here's a surprise. Avocados have more potassium per ounce than bananas, helping regulate blood pressure and muscle function. The combo of healthy fats, fiber and nutrients makes avocados a true superfood. Add them to your diet, and you're fueling your body with nature's best. It's like eating a multivitamin, only tastier. Every bite supports your heart, gut, and overall health. That's why avocados are a nutritional powerhouse. Ever wonder why guacamole costs extra? Avocados are expensive to grow, years of waiting, careful climate control, and lots of water all add up. Harvesting is done by hand, not machines, making labor costs high. Then comes delicate transport and special handling to prevent bruising. Global demand has skyrocketed, but new trees take years to mature, so supply can't keep up. Weather events, droughts, frosts, storms can wipe out crops, driving prices higher. Avocados also spoil quickly, so stores and restaurants factor in losses from fruit that goes bad before it's sold. That extra charge covers not just the fruit but the ones that didn't make it. It's a classic case of supply, demand, and perishability. So, next time you pay more for guac, remember the journey and challenges behind every scoop. It's not just a dip, it's the result of hard work and careful timing. That's why it's worth every penny. Enjoy it. After harvest, avocados embark on a journey to high-tech mega factories, where the real magic of sorting begins. These facilities are the heart of the modern avocado supply chain, designed to handle massive volumes with incredible efficiency. Gone are the days of hand sorting. Now conveyor belts, cameras, and sensors work in perfect harmony to do the job. The process is a symphony of automation, with every step carefully orchestrated for speed and accuracy. Each avocado passes under powerful scanners that check for blemishes and imperfections, while near-infrared technology assesses ripeness and internal quality, almost like giving each fruit its own X-ray checkup. Next, automated scales and precision lasers measure the weight and size of every avocado, instantly sorting them into categories tailored for different customers, from supermarkets to restaurants. This advanced automation ensures consistency in every batch and minimizes bruising, keeping the fruit in pristine condition for consumers. Modern factories can sort tens of thousands of avocados per hour, an astonishing feat that would be impossible for humans alone. The scale and speed are truly mind-blowing. With less human handling, the risk of damage and contamination drops dramatically, leading to better quality and less waste throughout the process. Technology and nature work together seamlessly, ensuring that only the best avocados make it to your table, fresh and delicious. It's a seamless blend of science and agriculture, where innovation meets tradition to create a product you can trust. Every sorted avocado is now ready for its next adventure, whether that's your kitchen, a restaurant, or being transformed into a new product. The process is fast, precise, and absolutely essential for meeting the ever-growing global demand for avocados. That's how your avocado gets from orchard to store in top shape, ready for you to enjoy at its peak. The future of food is here, and it's efficient, innovative, and delicious. Enjoy the results. Not all avocados are sold fresh. Some are destined for guacamole sauces or smoothies. These are peeled, pitted, and scooped by machines, then mashed in giant blenders. The texture is tailored chunky for guac, smooth for sauces. Ingredients like lime salt or cilantro are added as needed. Oxidation, browning, is prevented by adding acids or processing in low-oxygen environments. The final step is high-pressure processing, HPP. Sealed packages are pressurized in water, killing bacteria without heat. This keeps the avocado fresh, safe, and vibrantly green for weeks. HPP preserves flavor and color, extending shelf life without cooking the fruit. Thanks to this process, you get ready-to-eat avocado products that taste just made. It's food science at its best. Enjoy the convenience. What about avocados that won't survive the trip to stores? They get a second life, frozen at peak ripeness. Factories peel, pit, and quickly dice or mash them, then use individual quick freezing, IQF, to lock in texture and flavor. Rapid freezing prevents large ice crystals, so thawed avocado stays close to fresh. Frozen avocado is packed airtight to avoid freezer burn and unwanted odors. These products are shipped to stores and restaurants, offering year-round convenience. No more guessing ripeness or dealing with spoiled fruit. Just thaw and enjoy perfect avocado anytime. Freezing technology makes avocados accessible and waste-free. It's a smart solution for a perishable fruit. Modern food tech at its most helpful. Avocado on demand whenever you want it. The avocado has become more than food. It's a cultural icon. It symbolizes health, mindfulness, and a touch of luxury. Social media, especially Instagram, made avocado toast a global phenomenon. Its vibrant color and creamy texture are perfect for photos, fueling trends and demand. Restaurants embrace the craze, adding avocado to everything from salads to desserts. The more we see avocados online and on menus, the more we want them, a self-perpetuating cycle. Avocado's rise reflects our global, interconnected food culture. It's a symbol of wellness, versatility, and modern taste. From niche fruit to superstar, the avocado's journey is a testament to its appeal. It's here to stay, on our plates and in our feeds. Avocado Mega Factories aren't alone. Similar tech transforms almonds, sunflower seeds, and more. Almonds are sorted by scanners, then roasted, sliced, or made into flour and milk. Sunflower seeds are sorted, roasted, pressed for oil, or ground into butter. These processes ensure quality, safety, and convenience for a growing population. Mega factories use smart machines and advanced preservation to deliver healthy foods worldwide. The same science behind perfect guacamole brings us a variety of nutritious products. Food technology is revolutionizing what we eat and how we get it. Next time you enjoy a snack, remember the innovation behind it. It's not just about avocados, it's about feeding the world efficiently and deliciously. Thanks for joining this journey from farm to table.